What is the key to a long-lasting hairstyle? Dyson's new Chitosan Pre-Style Cream. So today we're going to be doing our classic everyday round brush blow dry, but we're going to do a little test because we're only going to be using one product. The one that I have is straight to wavy light conditioning. They recommend 2 to 5 pumps. So let's start with one pump. It's important, they said, to activate the product in your hands. So you pump it and you don't just slap it on. You shear it and then you smooth it through your hair. So I'm gonna start mids to ends. We're starting with towel dry hair, and they recommend it to be like 50% towel dried. Let's go in with another one in the back. It's supposed to give you 2 times longer hold without the crunch versus untreated hair. They tested this in 80% humidity, which is pretty solid. It can give you 50% less frizz versus your untreated natural hair. Now we're gonna do my classic pre-dry routine where I hit first the hairline and then I went in and kind of did the roots and just lifted throughout to get it 80–90% dry. So I'm gonna section out my top little mohawk section, twist it ear to ear into the back, and then I split everything else in half. So now I'm gonna switch from the pre-drying attachment to the concentrating attachment, lay the hair over, pull all the way down to the bottom, spin on the ends to get some shine, and then release. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. I think I'm gonna be obsessed with it. Oh, I'm just about to have perfect hair for days here. It is so pretty. This is just gonna be the one and only product that I need ever for the rest of my life. This is like 6 times more shine than normal for me. Now we're taking our mohawk section. We're going over the center. So first I'm getting the roots, and then we're going to pull forward so that we can reach everything in the front, spin on the ends. It's so shiny, I can't even handle it. I'm scared to be this obsessed with something. I like to put it over on the front one just to get it dry a little first. Bump it up a little this way, and then go the other way. Oh my gosh. Do you see the flowiness? But there's body and the shine. The shine is out of control. Where's the frizz? I would consider this a win.